knitting wool, and they've got little, I think they're little bunnies buttons on the side. They've got a little strap that goes over with, they're like little slippers, knitted slippers, and they've got a little bunny button on each strap that goes over. But yeah, she's had them since she was 2. She's 27, and they've just sort of stretched and got bigger. So, oh good, that's good that they appreciate the work that the trouble you've gone to make them for them. Oops. Girls are 23 and 13. Right. That, I think, is the right shape for our stocking. I'll leave this bit on it, or I won't leave all of this bit on it, I'll leave this long bit because I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to attach everything together yet. But originally I was going to solder them all around the outside, but of course I was going to make them all and solder them on and then bead them, because obviously I can't solder them now. I put beads on them, and this flimsy bought wire, because this will just melt, just disintegrate under the heat of the soldering gun. So I'm going to have to sort of wire them all together. So I'm leaving long bits on some of them so that I can attach them easier. Thank you. Right, we do the white bit across the top first. I'll just bend that down so that doesn't keep moving up. Let's find some white cream coloured beads. Might have to raid this mixed packet again. Let's tip those out there. Might have to raid this. I don't know if there are any white ones in here. I might have to use the pearl type ones. Yeah, I will have to use the pearl type ones. Oh, I'll use that saucer. Floof to spin. Found it on Amazon. It's so pretty. Oh, cool. Yeah, I've got loads of, you call it floof, I call it rovings. Got loads. Like I say, I've had to vacuum bag down all my needle felting wool and all my normal wool and all my fabric, because it just took up so much space in here. But yeah, I used to get some on Amazon or eBay as well. A lot on eBay of my wool roving stuff. And like I said, my sister has sheep, and so I've got a lot of her sheep's wool, and they're pretty cheap as well. They're not white sheep, they're brown and black, so got nice browns and blacks. It's ideal when I do animals. Well, I'm needle felt animals, not knit animals. I haven't done anything like you've done. I haven't. Yeah, it's great that she's got them. Gives me the wool stuff. And also we've got a llama park, a llama farm, llama park, where you can go and pat the llamas, just about 10 minutes drive from me. And they sell the llama wool rovings there as well from their llamas, which is nice. But I've never spun with it. I've never spun it into yarn like you're doing. I just use it for my needle felting. But I've got a big bag of fur from my my last dog, Matilda. Got a big bag of her fur, black, brown and white. She was a Bernese, which I've kept and to make a miniature Matilda out of you know, needle felted. Oh, is it? Is it llama, your pumpkin? Cool. Yeah, that sounds good, the pumpkin. Like you say, you did show it on the screen and I thought, oh, that's cool. Oh, I don't know what I'm using orange wire for. Oh dear, I don't want orange wire, do we? Let's put this bit back on here. Oops, bead running away. Oops. I was in my lounge streaming last week because I did my first stream out here the other Monday and of course realised I haven't got very good internet out here, even though I'm literally 15 feet from my back door. But the internet was rubbish, so I ended up having to do my stream on the data on my phone. But so I did all my other ones indoors in the lounge, but now we've got a booster, so I can come back out here. But my lounge carpet, I hoovered it, and it was just clattering the whole time because of beads going up it. Let's do that one. Didn't know anything about spinning. Oh right, what was someone else doing on here, spinning yarn? Well, it's something sort of relaxing to do, I suppose, isn't it? As long as your hands aren't hurting, you know, if your arms and your hands aren't hurting doing it, it's something relaxing to do, isn't it? I suppose. Is it? Just looks like it's something you could just do while you're watching the telly or doing something else and just sort of relax and do. Which is the whole point, isn't it, of crafting? To help us relax and take our mind off things. There we go. I've got there's a vote thing on my screen. It's underneath the heart thing on the right hand side. If you wanted to pass a vote, it's to say what craft I should do on my next random unscheduled stream. There's 3 options on there. So it'll be fun if people voted to say what they'd like me to see me do. On the next time I just do a stream, you know, random one, not get my scheduled ones. My scheduled ones I'm carrying on doing this copper wire. Good thing I do when my handle's sore because the motion is more smooth. Yeah. Oh right, yeah, one of the like a mushroom shape. No, long thing with like a thing on the back. Yeah, bottom. We have quite a few, like, well, not this year obviously, sort of craft fairs and things here, and there's always like a group of people doing spinning at these things. And they, you know, on the wheel, spinning on a wheel or using that long wooden thing, that drop spinner. But I've never tried it. Come here, bead. Oh, bead flung off the edge. because I got my bead order arriving tomorrow. I ordered them off Amazon and I was hoping they'd be on next day delivery, or, you know, Amazon Prime next day, 1 day delivery. But they weren't. They were on Amazon Prime, but delivery on Thursday. It's a shame, so I didn't have them for now,